Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdulrhman, a student of King Faisal University. We are in part 1 of a series of lessons in C# and MongoDB. In this lesson, we will learn how to add reference for MongoDB.Driver and simply add one document in the collection. Before we begin the application, make sure you have installed MongoDB in your machine. Currently, I am using the MongoDB Community Server for Windows, which I downloaded from this site. I am running Mongo in my machine to show you that I have not yet created any database, as these three databases are there by default. Let's close this now. Though I closed it, my MongoDB database server is still running in the background. In our activity, we will create a console app that has a student class with the three attributes ID, first name, and last name, and a constructor. Notice that the constructor has only two string parameters because we will use the automatic default object ID from MongoDB. Use the app to create a database MyFirstDB, a collection students, and document a student object. Let's create a new project and name it CA_Mongo_01. Add MongoDB.Driver by right-clicking References and clicking Manage New Get Packages. Click Browse tab and search for MongoDB. Select MongoDB.Driver, which is from .NET, and install it. Click OK and click I accept. The driver has now been added as a package in our project. Go back to program.cs and add a new class named student. Add attribute ID of type object ID. Click quick action to add using MongoDB.Json. Add first name and last name attributes. Use a quick action again to create the constructor and choose only the first name and last name attributes. Go back to program.cs. Create an object of Mongo client. Use quick action to use MongoDB.Driver. Set the database. Set the collection. Create a student object. Insert the student object to the collection. Started. See the output by opening Mongo. Great job! For your challenge, try adding more attributes in the student class, such as address and department. In our next lesson, we will use CRUD operations on MongoDB using console app. Thank you for spending your time in this channel.